If you want to learn how to make a casual sushi lunch, this video is for you. Fresh salmon, citrus soy dipping sauce, and a spicy cucumber topping. Let's get into it. First up, rinse and lightly scrub the sushi rice with a few cups of cold water. Some will do this until the water runs clear, but just a few rinses will go a long way in preventing the rice from being too starchy. Add the washed rice into a rice maker, or if you have the chance, this musu kamado from Vermicular is definitely one, if not the best way to ensure incredibly fluffy and equally sticky sushi rice. I'll do a full video on this piece of equipment in the near future if you're curious about it, but drop a comment if you want to know more about this. Next, peel a cucumber and slice it into thin, even strips, along with a fresh jalapeno and some lemon zest as well. Season with salt, chili powder, lemon juice, and a splash of good olive oil, then give it a quick mix. For the citrus soy dipping sauce, slice up a whole lemon and orange, then cover with soy sauce, a splash of mirin, and mix in some torn cilantro stems and leaves. Muddle the ingredients together and set this aside. Okay, now it's time to finish the sushi rice. So you're gonna mix together rice wine vinegar, salt, and sugar. The ratio is around 3 parts vinegar to 1 part sugar, and salt to your own taste. Allow this to fully dissolve, then slowly fold it into the rice very gently, and fan the rice as you mix to cool it down just to above room temperature. For the salmon, here I have another beautiful fillet of sockeye salmon from Copper River Seafood that I'm going to break down to a simple chunky loin to cut from for my sushi. Sockeye is a fairly lean piece of salmon, so I won't be getting much marbling from the cuts if you're wondering, but what it does lack in overall fattiness, it does make up for in texture, and it is extraordinarily melt in your mouth tender. Just make sure you take all the bones out, pin bones and all, and cut it down to a sliceable loin of salmon. Once the loin is cut, thinly slice the salmon by pulling the knife towards you and slightly turning the knife at the very tail end of the cut. This will give the slice a tapered look and prevent them from looking too square or chunky. Last but not least, you're gonna wipe down the prep space once again with a clean rag, wet your hands with a little cold water, and start forming the sushi. Use just enough rice to fill the center of your palm, gently press it down with 2 fingers to give it shape, place a slice of salmon over it, and press it down one more time to set the rice and the fish together, and repeat until finished. Thinly slice an avocado and place it right over the sushi you just prepped out. Garnish the top with the spicy cucumber mix, a few freshly picked cilantro leaves, and enjoy it with that incredible citrus soy dipping sauce that we made earlier. And that is it, folks. A very delicious sushi lunch.
You guys have no idea how excited I am. All right, it is time to try this out, see how I did. Oh man, I've been craving sushi for a while. The only thing missing here is pickled ginger, because I just didn't have any on hand. I didn't get to it. But this is just a killer sushi combo. I by no means am claiming to know how to do sushi at a high level, even at like a medium level. But this is just a really simple way of thinking about sushi and combining flavors to your liking and kind of riffing off of a tradition and customizing it to your palate. Great recipe. I highly recommend you guys try this out. There's lots of different ways to approach this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below if you guys want to see more sushi, sashimi type recipes, crudos, different preparations of raw fish. So drop a comment if you guys want to see more of that. I'll have some equipment links and some other products that I'll link to this video as well. And I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, guys. Oh, yeah. It's like as fast as I'm making them, you're eating them.
Why do you need water?
Otherwise it sticks to your hand.